Hi, I welcome you to Remedial One YouTube channel. Today we have before us in the diagram, M and N are the centers of the two circles of equal radius 7 centimeters. So we have this is a center and this is a center, and the circle intercepts. So they intercept nicely and they form some sort of square, and then the angle that they project is 60. And they want us to calculate correct to the nearest whole number the area of the shaded portion. What we could do is that, okay, so let's split it right from here. Once we split it, we see that this is kind of it's two circles coming together. So let's split it, and when we split it, it's equally. So if we can able to look at only one of it and then calculate the shaded portion, then we can double it to get our shaded portion. So that's easy way for us to go, right? So when we split it, this is what we're getting. Okay, so we're going to concentrate on one of the circle to calculate our shaded, and then we will double it to get the whole shaded area. Okay, so looking at here, we can able to find the area of a septa. So this is the area of a septa. So if we can find the area of a septa and then able to find the area of this triangle, we can able to then get that desired shaded area. So as we find the area of the septa, which is MPQ minus the area of triangle MPQ, that will give us what we are looking for. So you must know the area of septa. The formula for the area of a septa is the angle, the given angle, over 360 times pi r squared. Pi has been given as 22. So here, calculating the area of the septa. That's 22 on 7 times 7 times 7. So you can get rid of one of the 7, they turn into 1. And if you don't have a calculator, you can also get one of the zeros, and that become easy for you to do it. But you have a calculator. Okay, so they allow you to use a calculator, so you can go ahead and use your calculator as 6 times 22 times 7 divided by 36. That give you 77 on 3. So you can keep it like that. So we're getting 77 on 3. Now let's go ahead and calculate the area of the triangle. So this triangle, realize that this angle is 60 and the triangle is of 3 sides. So that means that the rest of the angles have 120 to share, and you are going to share it equally. So here is going to be 60 and here is going to be 60. So you have to know how do you find the area of a equilateral triangle. If you have that idea, the area of a triangle is half base times height. Okay, don't want us to get into all this kind of formulas, but there's 2 formulas that we could use. Okay, so if we have A here, and we have A here, we can find our height. Remember, this angle is 60. So as we are looking for our height, this is opposite. Okay, and what we have is a hypotenuse. So basically, for us to get a height, it's just, since we have opposite and hypotenuse, we are going to use sine. So we have sine 60 times the A. But in this situation, the A is the R. Okay, so basically the formula for this area is half base times the base. But remember, the base is also the radius, so we are getting, if we are using is radius and then sine 60, so we are getting half radius squared sine 60. So if we use this, we can able to find the area of the triangle. That's the formula. I believe your teachers have taught you that. There is also another formula that I'm not going to get into it, but that one is also a square root of 3/4 times, here in this case it would have been radius squared, and that one is also another formula that we could use for equilateral triangle. Okay, so the area of a triangle is going to be half, the radius is 7, so 7 squared, and then sine 60, which you could grab your calculator to get that done. So the 7 squared, which is 7 squared times sine 60, make sure the degree is on, and then we divide it by 2. Here we got 49 root 3 on 4. You could have used the other formula that I gave you too, which would have also worked easily with the same number. So therefore, as we are looking for the shaded area of one of the circle, is going to be 77 on 3 minus 49 root 3 and 4. You could also grab your calculator once again, or you can double cross multiply and do whatever that you want to do, but you have a calculator, so don't waste much time. You have 77 on 3 minus, so we pick our fraction, and here 49 root 3 on 4, and we got this. We can convert it to decimal, so we are getting 4.449. but remember, this is only one of it, so for us to get the shaded area for both, we will just multiply. So we will multiply this, so times 2, and then that gives us 8.9 as we run it up to 1 decimal place. But here they want us to run it to the nearest whole number, so the nearest whole number is going to be 9, and you got to do that. If you don't do that, you're going to lose about 2 marks, so be careful with that. So we get that, and this area is 2 dimensions of square. Right, I hope you didn't stop in the midway, you did it all the way to the end. Please go ahead, subscribe if today is your first time here or you haven't subscribed. If you have any question, leave a comment and I will answer you. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.